Hi, this is Richard Jones, the Welsh Lockpicker, and today I'm going to be playing with these. These are my new cuffs, and they are TCH 860s, Total Control Handcuff, and these were sent to me as part of a group buy with AJ Locks and Locks, so thank you ever so much for those. And we're going to try and get out of these with the double lock on. So as I'm home alone, top tip from Coxie, is make sure that you've got the key to hand, preferably on a lanyard around your neck, so you can run to next door to get freed. Probably not the first time I'd have done it, but we won't talk about that. So there we go, top safety tip. And then put this one on, and we'll use the key to put the double lock on. And I'm using a ball pick from the Southern Specialty set. And I'm going to go this side first. So I'm left-handed, so this is a bit more awkward for me. And I've practiced this quite a few times. And this is about take 37, where I just can't get this on camera, this side. There you go, I think I might have got it. Oh, there's double lock. Come on, right, so we can get it to bite. Come on. There we go, so that's one side. And then, see if we can get this one off. If anyone who's watching is more proficient than me, can see what I'm doing wrong, please get in touch, say in the comments, send me abuse, whichever, I just want to learn. There you go, it's double lock off on that one. And there we go. So, yeah, lovely handcuffs, really solid. TCH 860s, picked with a ball pick, fully locked with a double lock on. So, yeah, thank you very much to everybody who's been teaching me. Shout out to Nick's Picks, Coxie, Not Too Dead, See Stu Do, etc. If I've missed you out, I'm very sorry. But yeah, it's part of a journey. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.